Hi everyone, this is Burton from Bezdan, and in this video I'll be talking about working with the jaw for cable rail installation. As I am showing you here, the jaw is made up of these 3 triangular teeth and this 1 circular spring. With the help of the circular spring, the 3 triangular teeth form the jaw to secure the cable. Take note of the distal and proximal end of the fitting. Also notice that the circular spring has the ability to stretch. This allows the 3 triangular teeth to be easily removed if you should ever need to reassemble this fitting. Take care when holding the distal end of the jaw. Try not to pinch it too hard, as this can lead to the triangular teeth falling out of the circular spring. As you get more familiar with this fitting, you will eventually find the best way to hold it in place. Before you begin feeding, note the correct positioning of the distal and proximal end and the direction of the jaw feed. With the proximal end of the jaw facing the spear of the 1/8 dowel, push the jaw so that the dowel is fed through the jaw. Make sure not to grip the jaw while pushing, as this will force the teeth to clamp down on the dowel, preventing the jaw from moving. Now feed the proximal end of the jaw towards the spear point of the 1/8 inch dowel. Pushing from the distal end of the jaw, move the jaw until the proximal end is close to the end of the dowel, leaving enough space at the proximal end to feed in the cable. Note that, depending on the size of your project, you'll want to consider feeding all the jaws over the dowel for an easier, quicker installation. Thanks for watching. And if you would like to learn more about cable rail and tips for installation, please visit www.bezdancable.com. See you next time.